You've hit rock bottom. You're feeling hopeless. Your big question is how to start over in life with nothing. You may want to start over after a divorce, job loss, health issues, emotional or sexual abuse, addictions, a death in the family, or another traumatic event. No person has a perfect life. We are all human and thus imperfect. So there is no shame in acknowledging that you are having trouble. Don't let your age be a justification to keep the status quo. The good news is that it is never too late to start again. All it takes is a flicker of hope to inspire you. The only thing you need to do is say yes. To help you with your journey to start over in life, try these 3 steps. First step, accept what is. If you want to change, you need to accept where you are in life. It is time to be 100% honest with yourself. If you want to start over in life with nothing, you need to get in touch with your emotions and sensations. It can be challenging to face them because you might have repressed them for years. But this is an essential step that you need to do if you want to start the process of starting over. Step 2, embrace change. Life is full of change. No matter how hard you try, you are never going to stop change. It's time to start cultivating a growth mindset. And what is that? Individuals with a growth mindset are people who believe their talents can be developed through hard work, good strategies, and dedication. Research has shown that such individuals tend to achieve more than those with a fixed mindset, those who believe that one is either lucky to be born with talent or they are not. The choice is yours. A growth or fixed mindset. What's it gonna be? Have courage to embrace change. Step out into the unknown. Try new things and start learning new skills. Step 3, do the next right thing. Rather than trying to look too far ahead, which can feel overwhelming due to all the uncertainty, instead focus on what is the next small baby step in the right direction that you can do for yourself. When I say the right direction, I mean what is your heart, mind, and soul pulling at you to do? In which direction? Even if that small baby step turns out not as expected, don't worry, blame, or stress yourself. Just take another small baby step and keep trying, keep moving forward. If you notice that you need to change course again despite your best efforts, then be compassionate with yourself and step in a different direction. Life doesn't come with a manual, nor is there a right or wrong path to travel down. It is merely a journey filled with lots of trials and errors. It does take a lot of courage, self-love, and determination to make a significant change in your life. So give yourself credit for waking up and wanting to take these first few steps. And as you journey into a new life, it will be essential to always be patient with yourself. And remember that if you feel you are getting stuck, don't be afraid to reach out for professional help.